Meaning of foot.
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 Foot. Foot can refer to a number of different meanings depending on the context. Typically, a foot is the lower extremity of the leg, including the ankle, heel, and toe. In measurement, a foot is a unit of length equal to 12 inches. In poetry, a foot refers to a combination of stressed and unstressed syllables that make up a line of verse. In music, a foot pedal is used to control various aspects of an instrument. Overall, the meaning of foot varies greatly depending on the context in which it is used.